This is one course which would ensure that PT 2024 is not going to be an issue that you should be worried about. This course of PT Destinaire covers both GS and CSAT in a very comprehensive manner. Also, you would be provided with exclusive support of mentors who would know as to how to deal with a particular challenge that you may be having or struggling with. If you use that, you would actually be having a live cursor in your hand which will guide you for all the wrong moves that you make, if at all, and then take you to destination with the most optimal route. So it is very important that irrespective of the previous attempts that you have taken or the first attempt that you have got, the confusion in the level of preparation that you have got, this is one course which would ensure that PT 2024 is not going to be an issue that you should be worried about, because a lot of people, even after giving PT, they are in that twilight zone that I would clear it or not, and then waste of a lot of time and energy just after PT examination matching their answers with lots of keys which are available, and also they have got a lot of days are wasted when the results are about to come. In fact, I would like to tell you that you would be in a position to be sure of the outcome of your PT if you go through the course that we are taking you through and follow all the instructions that we are identifying for you in time. With the kind of requirements that we have had in the past, it is important to mention for me here that it is available to you wherever you are. We have the physical limit of conducting the classes, so we have taken this course online where live classes would reach you to your own place, meeting your own requirements across the country, absolutely live. And then you would make good use of it without having to physically displace and wasting time in the process. This PT Destinaire course is starting January 2024. The detail about the PT Destinaire course is given in description, and feel free to inquire about any doubt that you have got. And we ensure that you will be attended individually.